की आंखों में आंखें डालकर तू छीन सकता है जिंदगी, चल छीन ले। तुझ में है जो वो नहीं है और में, इस बात पर है अजनबी, कर यकीन ले। जो है नहीं तू उसी को सच है मानता, तू उसको ही खुद से बड़ा है जानता। तू नहीं किसी और से, तू खुद से ही भयभीत है। चल अपने डर को तू डरा से करके आगे जीत है। Let's fight, fight with fright. Come on, fight, fight with fright. Fright, fight, fright, fight.
Ram, hurry up. Ram, I'm ready.
Coming, yaar. Just give me 2 minutes.
Come on,
Just a second, yaar.
come.
Okay.
Ram. Ram.
Coming.
Ram. Ram. Ram? What are you doing?
Nothing. My underwear is not clean. You go, I'll come.
Ram, it's cleaned. I washed it yesterday.
It's not clean, Vidya. Please go, I'll come.
Ram, it's clean. What are you doing?
Vidya, I ejaculated.
So,
I'm impure. I can't go to the temple like this. I'll impurify the whole temple. I can't go and see my God like this. You please go, I'll come.
How could I go to a temple in soiled clothes? Especially when I wanted to thank God for giving me so much in life. I have been working as a banker for years. With God's grace, I got my desired portfolio 6 months ago.
अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि दुनिया का सबसे पावरफुल वेपन कौन सा है, तो उसका जवाब होगा न्यूक्लियर वेपन। लेकिन अगर इसी सवाल को थोड़ा रूट लेवल पर सोचा जाए, तो उसका जवाब होगा ब्रेन। ह्यूमन ब्रेन इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट वेपन इन दिस वर्ल्ड, क्योंकि उसी ने न्यूक्लियर वेपन को बनाया है।
It was my dream job, but with it came a lot of new responsibilities. That I could manage. The problem was something else. Something that got worse with the added responsibility. They call it OCD, Obsessive Compulsive Disorder. It's a mental illness. That's what I had. It's doing small things again and again. Really small things. Like rearranging my desk, getting up in the middle of the night to check whether the door was locked or not. I mean, I knew I wasn't forced to do it, but somehow I kept doing this. So Ram,
Sir,
क्या चल रहा है?
all good, sir.
The job is very good, but your performance has to be better.
Sure, sir.
Take biscuits. Just look. How?
So, actually, I was waiting for my tea.
Okay. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
I was always particular about keeping my hands clean, but now it was an obsession. And worse, after washing my hands, I didn't feel like touching anything, especially something like the washroom door. And I took my obsession home too.
अच्छी या बुरी कोई भी आदत हो, धीरे धीरे ही बदलती है और धीरे धीरे ही बनती है। डॉक्टर ने राम को छोटे छोटे बेबी स्टेप्स लेने के लिए कहा था, जिसमें विद्या राम की मदद कर रही थी। अब डॉक्टर ने राम को कहा था कि वो अपनी छोटी सी एक आदत बदले, जैसे हाथ धोने की मामूली सी आदत। ओसीडी के फोबिया के पीछे हाथ धो के पड़ना था और अपने हाथ को बार बार धोने से रोकना था। इंटरेस्टिंग ना? आइए देखते हैं।
In fact, he started using a fork to have his chapatis. He used to pray in front of the idol every day before going to work. And he had to stand at the exact same position, right in front of the idol, or else he wouldn't pray. This behavior was starting to affect his life, our life. Things were getting out of control with Ram. We needed to do something about this. I told him clearly that the problem was in his mind. He agreed to meet a psychiatrist.
Obsessive compulsive disorder, commonly known as OCD, affects 2% of general population. So that is 2 in every 100 people are affected with OCD. So for most of them, symptoms generally starts say around before 20 years of age. Now these people with the OCD, they have special belief that certain kind of body movements, certain kind of coughing, repeated touching somewhere or counting will make them feel better. So what do you believe is much more important than what you think. They believe this to the level that they start obsessing about it. Now, till the obsession, it is okay. But once these thoughts start recurring again and again, they get into restlessness. Now, to encounter this restlessness, they get into what is known as compulsion. So we have cycle of OCD here. So belief of thought are called obsessions. Then there is this restlessness, and to counteract this restlessness, people do certain actions, commonly known as compulsion. Now, our patient Ram, he came to me when he was having severe symptoms of OCD. We definitely started him on medicines, which are really important and help most of the patients. And at the same time, we simultaneously started him on certain therapies.
Close your eyes, Ram. And imagine that you have mud on your hand. It's okay.
To resist the urge of washing my hands was very difficult. But with Vidya's help and some medication, I somehow found the strength to fight the compulsion and yet stay calm. I consciously took small steps to deal with my OCD. I started eating food with my hands again. Vidya helped me realize that the first step was the biggest hurdle. Things were looking good at office too. I even started shaking hands with my colleagues.
Now, dealing with the germ phobia was just the beginning. Ram also had severe other symptoms like counting, keeping things symmetrically perfect, and etc. many other symptoms. So this was just the beginning of a big battle ahead.
Ram?
Things were really looking good for Ram and Vidya. Now, this is the most crucial period of treatment. During this phase, most of the patients stopped following, and so did they. They stopped following up, and at the same time, they stopped medicines also. And after 4 months, suddenly, one day Ram came, and what I saw that his OCD was back with vengeance.
Om Bhurбhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya. Om Bhurбhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo.
Ram? Ram, क्या हुआ? Tell me.
Nothing. Om Bhurбhuva Swaha Tats.
Ram, tell me, क्या हुआ?
I told you, right? These images. Sexual images. I see them whenever I'm doing my puja. I don't know, these pictures come into my mind, and sometimes I even abuse my gods. I don't know why, Vidya, forget it. You won't understand.
I understand. Acha, forget it. Don't pray.
No! I need to pray. Especially now that I know I have abused my gods. Om Bhurбhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurбhuva.
It took me almost 5 hours to pray that day. I don't know how and why these cheap, dirty and vulgar images would just pop up into my head. In the most difficult phase, I had to stay away from the most powerful entity in my life.
Om Bhurбhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurбhuva.
Things were going downhill for him.
Om Bhurбhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya.
Ram even stopped going to work.
Om Bhurбhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurбhuva.
His relapse was actually much worse.
Ram was himself to be blamed for his aggravated condition. He had stopped medicine. So when he came back to me after 4 months, of course I started medicine. But obviously it will take time to work. I could not let devoted men like Ram to lose his faith in his God. This was his only chance for his path to redemption. I asked Vidya to sit beside him when he is chanting his mantra, to motivate him, to push him, and just see to it that anyhow he finishes his mantras. Doesn't matter whatever thoughts he has, whatever imageries he has, but Anyhow, finish his mantras.
Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturbharenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi
Dhiyo yo na.
Dhiyo yo.
Don't stop. Keep praying.
But these images,
I told you na, it does not matter. See, your God is right in front of you and He believes in you. You believe in your God, right?
yes.
Let's start with me. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha
Om Bhurbhuvasvaha
Tatsaviturvarenyam
Tatsaviturvarenyam
Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi
Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi
Dhiyo yo na prachodayat.
Dhiyo yo na prachodayat.
Om Bhurbhuva
The
Swaha
images weren't going away.
Bhurbhuvasvaha
Tatsaviturvarenyam
Maybe I was being tested by the God,
Tatsaviturvarenyam
Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi
but I continued anyway.
Dhiyo yo na prachodayat.
I had to complete my prayers.
Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo yo na prachodayat.
It was important for him to complete his pujas, get over his guilt, and make peace with God. I was determined not to let him stop and help him complete his prayers.
Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo yo na prachodayat.
Once you resist compulsion, the next hurdle is restlessness. After restlessness, the last thing which takes maximum time to go are thoughts and obsessions. Like most of the other patients, Ram was also thoroughly tested. But the good thing here was he started medication, he started therapy. And what was the difference was one more new weapon in his armory, that was confidence. So with this confidence, with therapy and medication, Ram could deal with his OCD.
Fear means either you forget everything and run, or you face everything and rise. I chose to rise. Things are working out now. The OCD is not completely gone. But I'm sure I will never let it control my life, ever. You can either watch fear from a distance and let it grow, or you can go meet the same fear and destroy it. This battle helped me savor some of the most precious moments of my life.
राम, विन्नी को एक बार देख लो, मेरे हाथ में थोड़ा सा आटा लगा हुआ है. चेक ना उसका डायपर, देखो कहीं चेंज तो नहीं करना है.
गुवाहाटी से गुजरात या सूरत से सीतापुर कोई पैदल जा सकता है क्या? ये बात इम्प्रैक्टिकल जरूर लगती है, लेकिन इम्पॉसिबल नहीं, क्योंकि छोटे छोटे बेबी स्टेप्स लेकर ही इंसान माउंट एवरेस्ट के शिखर पर पहुंच जाता है। इंसान का फोबिया माउंट एवरेस्ट जितना मुश्किल क्यों ना हो, लेकिन हिम्मत के छोटे छोटे बेबी स्टेप्स उसे मंजिल तक पहुंचा ही देते हैं। आज के एपिसोड में बस इतना ही। अगले एपिसोड में एक और फोबिया, एक और कहानी, एक और पेशेंट के साथ हाजिर होंगी मैं। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें, मुस्कुराते रहें, स्टे फियरलेस। नमस्ते।
देखिए, मुझे चिंटू के घर आने से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। इवन मैं बताऊं तो जब भी वो आता है तो मेरा मन लगा रहता है, लेकिन उसके मम्मी पापा, उनको देखिए आप, वो आपका कितना इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। अरे जो लोग आपका इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, ऐसे लोगों को तो चले ही जाना चाहिए। आपको आज उनसे बात करनी होगी।
नहीं, मैं नहीं बात कर पाऊँ।
आप रहिए ऐसे लोगों के साथ, मैं ही आपको छोड़कर चली जाती हूँ।
7 साल की उम्र में तेरा बाप तुझे छोड़कर चला गया। 11 साल की उम्र में तेरी माँ भी छोड़कर चली गई। ये तू है ये मनहूस। 7 साल की उम्र में तेरा बाप तुझे छोड़कर चला गया। 11 साल की उम्र में तेरी माँ भी छोड़कर चली गई। ये तू है ये मनहूस।
तुम मुझे छोड़ दोगे? नहीं नहीं यार, प्लीज मुझे छोड़कर मत जा, मुझे छोड़कर मत जाना। मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं रह पाऊंगा। प्लीज मुझे छोड़कर मत जाना आरती।
मौत की आंखों में आंखें डालकर तू छीन सकता है जिंदगी, चल छीन ले। तुझ में है जो वो नहीं है और में, इस बात पर है अजनबी, कर यकीन ले। चल अपने डर को तू डरा से, डर के आगे जीत है।